Planet Toadano, here we are. So, any new weapon I can buy? Probably the next weapon I'm going to get is the plasma coil. That weapon kicks ass. Though, the Syntonoid is also pretty good. So, nah, it's not worth it. Meteor gun, okay, let's try using the meteor gun. There's a skill point for saving all the tourists, so that you guys know. There's another skill point for destroying all these rockets, but it takes a while to do so. Bam, first down. I'm not going to complete the skill point of the tourists, I don't really feel like doing so right now. But I think I'm going to do the ones from the rockets, because if you do destroy all the rockets, the last one will destroy a guard just a bit further in the level. And that comes in handy. I mean, not that it's hard to destroy the guard, but it's kinda annoying. I don't know which is faster, using a weapon or with the wrench. There's also another skill point added to turn some of these squirrels into sheep, and you can do so by getting the sheepinator a bit further in the level too, and I'll be getting in this part, don't worry. This one almost takes off but then falls down. But the last one that we destroy actually takes off and will fall down a bit further in the level. It falls right in an enemy. And there's a skill point. You can also, if you followed the excursion until this point here, Fizz widget, the Robo Fizz widget, will enter this place here, and you will be able to get a platinum bolt that's inside that place. Also, last night, what the hell? Insomniac announced Ratchet Deadlocked HD for the PlayStation Network. In Europe it's called Ratchet Gladiator, and that's something that we all knew about now, because in a Japanese trailer it was like announced that the game would come on in the PSN, so by this time almost everyone knew about that. But nonetheless, good news. I'm going to try to finish Ratchet Clank 2. Oh, see, the rocket fell down. I'm going to try finishing Ratchet Clank 2 and 3 before Deadlocked gets released, so that I start uploading as soon as it releases on PSN. I'll do it like a first playthrough on this PS3. I'll be gaining all the trophies, things like that. But I don't think I'll be getting the platinum while on screen. Maybe I'll finish the game, and after I finish the game I'll work on the platinum. Because until now I have all the platinum trophies for all the Ratchet Clank games except for All for One, which I still didn't finish. I'm going to the gadgets menu to equip the tractor beam, because it will be needed to this section.
Try strafing to better position objects. To strafe, hold L2 or R2 while running.
I know how to strafe, okay. In this part right now, it doesn't really matter which one you pick up first, but later in the game, when you visit that spaceship, the first level in the game, I don't know if you remember, you go again to that place a bit later, and in that place you will find the plumber, who will give you a quark statue. After you get that statue, you can get to this room, put those two platforms in order that you can go up there, and there will be a maniac quark fan that will trade the statue for another thing. I don't really remember what it is, but he trades it for something. Kind of a waste using this weapon on these enemies, because they can simply be killed by a wrench swing. Wait. And you guys can see there are appearing some sheep by now. Because if I'm not mistaken, this place here is the one to get the sheepinator. And there are some robots that are useful, that are good to use this weapon on. Though they they die with only one shot. Oh damn it, I missed. That was a fail. You can take this. You need to take it there, but you can also use it to climb up there. But for that you need the weapon that it's the little spider. Since I don't have it, I'm not going to bother going that way. Oh damn it! Oh, I've been signed off. Signed out. I mean. Yeah, that's because I'm uploading a video to YouTube. Not that I'm surprised about that. I was kinda hoping that was going to happen sooner, actually. This is a very simple section, you only need to put them in the right places. This section, however, is kind of annoying. Damn it, I got hit. Damn it, 2 hits in a row, bitches. What's the big? That's the bigger one, so let's start doing this then. Go. Stylish backflip, bitches. They're dead. And I can already see the Shipinator. Welcome to the morphing weapon of Ratchet Clank 2. A deadly machine that turns enemies into sheep. All hail the Shipinator. Wait, how do I turn? Okay. These enemies are pretty easy to turn into sheep. And when this weapon levels up, when it upgrades, the sheep turn into black sheep, and they wreak havoc. In other words, the sheep explode when near enemies. I think it's only when they're near the enemies. So this first segment is done. Time to head into the second segment. Damn it. Why not use the shipnator here? Oh, these enemies here take a while longer to transform. Damn it. As you guys might have noticed, I still didn't upgrade my armor a single time in this playthrough, and I hope that I don't need to. I want to complete this Ratchet Clank 2 game without using the armor upgrader once. I finished it once, why can't I finish it again, right? I tried doing the same with Ratchet Clank 3, I think I already said it once actually, but I couldn't finish the game with the first armor. The enemies would simply rape me. Damn it. Okay. This is like a harder puzzle because this one isn't mandatory. Damn it. Wrong way. Damn it, wrong way again. Fuck. Ah. Damn it. Damn it. Wait. What's the wrong... Fuck. Damn it! Fuck. Almost there. Fuck. Fuck. Again. Sorry about this, guys. This might take a bit. Oh, damn it! Fuck. What the... so annoying. I try to go one way and it goes the other one. I simply don't understand this crap. Finally. But this was worth the effort because we gain a nanotech. What? No weapons equipped. Amazing. From where the hell did I get hit? Ah, come on. Damn it, only 2 missiles. Fuck, no ammo. Oh, okay, great. Got 10 ammo. Okay, it's done. Another one of these. No, no. Okay. Oh, damn it. Let's activate the elevator. Am I still far away? Oh, it's right here.
Angela Cross, calling Ratchet on secure band 7 Echo Foxtrot.
Ratchet here. Angela? Is that your name?
Ratchet was calling you something quite different.
Oh, was he now? Anyway, I'm just calling to warn you that Thugs for Less have taken over my flying lab.
But were the thugs not working for you?
Not anymore. Apparently, someone's made them a better offer. I tell you, between the Thugs and the Protopet, this whole galaxy's heading for—
Wait, say again? Protopet?
Oh, yeah, it's what they're calling the experiment now. Here, watch this.
Why is Billy sad? Is he cold, hungry, or maybe just...
Oh no, take it away!
lonely? Introducing the Megacore Protopet. Your child will shriek with joy when he meets our adorable friend. Wanna play ball? So does the Protopet. Need a partner for tag? Go find the Protopet. Up for some cops and robbers?
Help! Please!
So is you-know-who. Just ask Billy. The Megacore Protopet. Stop by Planet Balden and get yours free from Abercrombie Fizzwidget himself.
You mean that thing is going to be a pet?
Megacorp intends to market a killer. That is simply unconscionable.
Which is exactly what I've been trying to tell you. There will be disastrous consequences for the entire galaxy if that monster is distributed.
We must get through to Mr. Fizzwidget.
If you still think he'll listen, you should try to catch him on the planet Balden. I'll upload the coordinates.
This could be our last chance.
Ah. So now we're heading to planet Balden, is it? We're returning to our spaceship in style. So, the next part we're going to find ourselves in planet Balden.
Listen up, Thugs for Less. We got a big job ahead, so pay attention. Megacorp has hired us to protect their CEO, Mr. Fizzwidget. They feel that he's getting a little, cuckoo in his old age and are concerned for his safety. Now, Fizzwidget's kind of old-fashioned, so I want everything handled with the pride and courtesy people have come to expect from us. Also, be on the lookout for these two characters. I have a personal interest in seeing them rubbed out, so I'm offering a free pizza party to the squad who bags them. And remember, that includes drinks and desserts. Over and out.